Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nice Guy, and in this video you will learn how to construct a parallelogram. So let us look at a typical example. Part 1. Construct a parallelogram ABCD such that AB is equals to 8.5 cm, BC is equals to 5.5 cm, and angle ABC is equals to 120 degree. Part 2. Measure and write down the length of the diagonal AC. Like always, we need to do a sketch of the parallelogram first. So let us draw two parallel lines using the ruler. Followed by the other two pairs of parallel lines. And remember to label the points A, B, C, and D. Then AB is 8.5 cm, angle ABC is 120 degree, BC is 5.5 cm. And because this is a parallelogram, CD will be 8.5 cm and AD will be 5.5 cm. So your sketch should look something like this. Now, a very important thing to take note is to label your corners in order A, B, C, and D in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction like what I have just done. So now let us begin our construction. First, let us draw the baseline. It must be longer than 8.5 cm. It can be around 12 cm. Doesn't really matter as long as it's above 8.5 cm. Now, make a marking and call it A. Next, we will want to measure 8.5 cm on the compass. So stretch the compass and make sure that it goes until 9.5 cm because we are starting from 1 cm instead of 0 cm. Now make sure the compass is stretched out to 8.5 cm. Then put the pointing end onto the point A and draw an arc, and this will be B. Next, you will need to take out your protractor and measure 120 degree. And please use your sketch as a reference as to where the line must go. So make sure that it is more than 90 degree, then draw a long line from point B. So any position on this line is 120 degree away from point B. Next, you will want to take out your ruler again and use it to measure 5.5 cm on the compasses. After you have done so, place the needle end of the compasses onto point B and use it to draw an arc onto the line that we have just drew. So the intersection will be point C because it is 5.5 cm as well as 120 degree away from point B. If you refer back to your sketch, you should realize that point D is 5.5 cm away from point A, and at the same time it is also 8.5 cm away from point C. So what we need to do now is to draw a point where it is 5.5 cm away from point A. So put your compasses, the needle end, onto point A and use it to draw an arc. And use your sketch as a reference to the direction where you should draw your arc. After you have done so, measure 8.5 cm on the compasses with the help of your ruler. Then place the needle end of the compasses onto point C and use it to draw another arc which intersect the previous arc which you have drew. So the intersection will be both 5.5 cm away from point A as well as 8.5 cm away from point C. And this is our point D. So draw a line connecting point A and point C to the intersection and remember to label it, and the length of other line which you have drew as well as angle, remember to label them as well. So for part 2, they asked us to measure the diagonal AC, which is very simple. Just take out your ruler, put it against point A and point C, then just look at it and see how long it is, and you should roughly get around 12.2 cm. Alright, that's all for this video, and I will see you all again next time. See you.